Eso que es basura, creo.
Sí.
Híjole, digo.
¿Qué es eso?
Es basura.
No, sí,
Pero
A water main rupture on Webster Avenue in Bedford Park turned a quiet evening into a chaotic flood zone, leaving residents stranded, homes destroyed, and streets submerged in muddy waters.
es el puto río.
es el río,
Se
baby.
desborda, ¿va?
Híjoles. Estoy grabando, pues, pero no se ve mucho. Aquí en el Bronx estamos, mira.
Same passage, right? Like a river.
I know.
The 48-inch main, dating back to 1890, burst at 7:30 p.m. Monday, unleashing a torrent of high-pressure water that inundated streets, submerged vehicles, and forced emergency evacuations of first-floor and basement apartments.
This is the current situation on Webster Avenue and East Moshulu in Bedford Park, the Bronx. Water main break, and water is just absolutely surging down the road. See it all the way down the block.
I said the five-time verse. It's crazy. Look. He's the one who came in and told me. I was in the basement watching.
Floodwaters reached hip high in some areas, trapping one driver in their vehicle until emergency responders pulled them to safety.
I don't want to live here no more.
It's crazy.
Enough. I don't want to do this no more.
Look at that. Goes all the way back out to Bedford Park. And it's coming from up by the, like going up the church. Look at the car.
Nearby buildings suffered extensive damage, with furniture, clothing, electronics, and food completely ruined.
Basically, anything from Bedford Park to 201, anything.
Cleanup crews worked tirelessly, cutting gas and electricity to some buildings while pumping out water from flooded apartments and shuttered businesses. Jessica Asa, a longtime resident, recounted the harrowing moments when her children and pets were trapped inside her apartment as water surged in. Thanks to the quick actions of neighbors and firefighters, her family was rescued, but their belongings were destroyed. This is years' worth of things, Asa said, pointing to piles of soaked items. She believes proper maintenance of the aging water system could have prevented this disaster.
Wow. Look.
Please.
Another resident, known as Brown, mourned the loss of his cherished 1999 Mercury Grand Marquis, nicknamed Blue. Trapped in his upper-floor apartment due to a disability and non-functional elevators, Brown helplessly watched as his car was submerged in muddy waters. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.